At this time, we're going to go into our awards, so we'd like our coaches to please stand up and stand in front of your students. Now, when your school name and team color are announced, please come quickly to the correct presenter for your medal bundle. If you have extra medals, please return to the podium at the end of the team match. Now, listen carefully as I quickly announce the team's placements. So, our presenter for our bronze medals will be Elaine Granenko from Dancing School Teacher and Training Director. All right, we'd like to bring up our bronze medalists. Team 261, Lehigh, yellow. Team 101, Lehigh number 1, pink. Team 241, Lehigh number 4, lime. And Team 171, Lehigh 10. Team 131, Pleasant Grove, maroon. Team 231, Orem red. And now presenting our silver medals, we welcome Cheryl True, Dancing School Dance Director. And receiving silver medals, Team 121, Salem Aqua. Team 271, Pleasant Grove Peach. Team 251, Oak Canyon Royal Blue. Team 221, Lehigh Sky Blue. Team 141, Orem Green. And now we have 5 gold team awards. Presenting 5th place, Elaine Granenko. And into 5th place, Team 111, Oak Canyon Lavender. And now presenting 4th place, Cheryl True. And receiving 4th place, Team 161, Vista Heights Orange. Now our top 3 teams will take home a trophy and medals for each team dancer. The first place team will receive $100 scholarship and a perpetual trophy from Dancing School Education Foundation, which is the organizer of this particular event. So presenting our 3rd place medals and trophy, we welcome Dancing School Board member Todd Wakefield. And into 3rd place, Team 151, Freedom Prep Turquoise. Presenting our 2nd place medals and trophy, Dancing School Board member Art McComber. And into 2nd place, let's have a drum roll.
Drum roll.
Team 201, Salem Hot Pink. And presenting our 1st place medals, trophy, and scholarship with the perpetual trophy, our Dancing School Board Chair Dan Long and Claude Wakefield.
Oh, that's a big trophy.
One more drum roll. For the winners, Team 211, Salem Purple.